Hi there. Today I'm gonna share with you my point of view about leadership. There are four parts of this topic. First, leadership. What is it? The leader. Who are you? Third, leadership style. Fourth, pros and cons of every leadership style. You all ready for this? Leadership. Oh boy, it is like cranking up the volume to 11 and make your crew also like they're in a hamster wheel race. Or is it like fixating your eyes upon the computer screen? Acting all Sherlock Holmes on how serious research? But come on, based on the true art forming at your lips, we all know you're more interested in inspecting the dirty side. Oh wait, is this a crane spectacle of you, perched on your high horse, gazing into the distant unknown? Hey there, Captain Ahab. How about ditching those binocular covers? You can spot Moby Dick with those things still on. And what the heck are you even scanning for, huh? Leadership is like you're the captain of the tug of war boat, but somehow your crew's pulling in opposite direction, like they're audition for sitcom. And guess what? Your ship's feeling the pressure and decides, why not split up and see the world into pieces? Smooth sailing, huh? Imagine this one right. Leaderships are like herding your team right smack into the middle of traffic circle and tell them, folks, we hit the crossroads, but every road is a no-go zone. It's like giving them a GPS that leads to a merry-go-round of confusion. Get a load of this sitcom plot. Leadership is all about kicking back, feet up, sipping on some lemonade, while your crew's out there paddling away like they are auditioning for Slave Ship, the sequel. If I were part of that crew, I'd toss you overboard quicker than you can say life vest. But here's the kicker. I'll actually go for it, give you the on heel. But you're like a lead balloon. You drag me down with you. So much for my aquatic trains, right? Alright, listen up. Cause this one's hot. Leaderships are like a bunch of critters going on lemming style, following their leaders, knocking and taking us one time right into the Grand Canyon of mistakes. Imagine this. A posse of 500 white bits you to trot along doing the things, but now, well, who knows if there's even five left. Talk about a sad animal parade, huh? Alright, gather around, folks, cause we're diving into this one head first. Leadership is like being the first crazy cat to scale a mountain while it's raining bears, snake, and spider. Yup, these critters are out for blood and ready to turn you into their mills. But hon up, don't mistake this for leadership. It's more like extreme sacrifice show. Sacrifice aren't exactly a leadership cause because once you're pushing up daisies, who left to steer the ship? And here's the kicker. Check out this picture. The dog goes on ready to take crown after you are MIA, missing in action. Like some sort of Shakespearean docking plot twist. And let's be real, a pup leading the pack? Good luck with that. Cause truth to be told, more often than not, the next leader is a certified cracking ball, ready to demolish the hard work you put in with your crew. It's like leadership version of sorry, not sorry exit strategy. Alright then. On the other hand, you're the leader so distant from the gang, you might as well be on another planet. We're talking beaming up Scotty levels of separation. You're up in the heavens, chilling with the celestial being, while your poor team's labs using a ladder to reach your divine presence. It's like they need a rocket ship to pop in for chat. You're the leader with the ultimate VIP suite in the sky, where mere mortals need a golden ticket just to get a glimpse. You're so high up, you practically need a telescope to see the thing, and they're breaking out of the modern gear to reach you. It's like leadership via telescope. You're so far away, you might as well be in a different galaxy. Uh-oh, we got a situation here. You're playing the I'm so far away I can solve the worst problems in a blink card. Like, you're so distant, you could be sipping a soda on Mars and still serve the day down Earth. But hold up a second, because when things hit the fan, there's gotta be a scapegoat, right? It's like cosmic game of pin the blame on the donkey. You're up there, twiddling your thumbs among the stars, and someone got to take the fall. It's a leadership roulette. Spin the wheel, pick the name, and boom, flame aside. Just remember, even from outer space, the blame games is still in full wings. Hold on your hands, cause here's the classic tale of blame the quiet guy. We got this poor fella, all nice and polite, mouth shut tighter than a clam, and moving at the speed of the sloth on a vacation. This dude is poster child for trying to stay as far away from politics as a squirrel trying to avoid rainstorm. He's like, no parties, no problems, thinking he'll be living the trauma-free dream. But guess what? Life is a twist sitcom. And without hitching his wagon to any political stars, he like a sitting duck at the shooting range. It's like being caught in the crossfire of a political paintball war, and he's the one with the bullseye on his back. Poor guy. Thinking he could avoid the circuit by sitting on the sideline, turns out the shortcuts came to him. And as Donald Trump used to say, you're fine. You're gonna say goodbye to that poor guy. Hold on to your cowboy hats, cause we got a wide scene here. It's a total mix-up of the speedy roadrunners and Frozen, quite as a mouse lamps. Imagine this: on one side, you got these folks sprinting like the Flash long lost cousins, zooming by faster than a jackrabbit in a hot pursuit. But wait, on the flip side, you got the T in the headlines crew, struck dumb, frozen like a popsicle on a hot summer day. They're as quiet as a library at midnight, and as meek as a lamb that somehow wander into a rodeo. It's like a classic case of faster than a hiccup versus still as a stone on happening in one spectacularly hilarious showdown. Gather up, folks, because we are diving into the leadership roller coaster with three flavors that are about as classic as cream Mars apple pies. First up, we got the whip wielding captain, harking back to the good old days when ships were for sailing and morale was at an all-time low. Then there's a finger-pointing maestro, a leader so smooth they are practically gliding on butter, but the team sweats like they are in a chili pepper eating contest. And don't forget the megaphone marvel, the hollering hero who can make your eardrums rattling without lifting a finger. But hold on to your hats, cause we're not hopping on that same old crazy train. Nope. We're here to be the shining stars of the leadership, the ones who flip the scripts and dance to a different beat. I'm talking about the whole new brand of leadership, folks. The kind that's gonna make heads turn and eyebrows raise. Buckle up, cause the next chapter is where the real fun begins. Thank you for listening.